In this demonstration, we will process a sales order within Acumatica. First thing we'll do is go to the Sales Order tab, New Sales Order. We'll then select the customer. Enter a stocked item. Add and close. We'll then save the record. We'll go to the Payment Settings tab. We can see here the card number, the default card that's on file, last 4 digits of the card number. We can either authorize the transaction or go straight to capture. We can do either or, so we'll authorize the transaction. You do not have to authorize the transaction first. It's an option, but we can see here that the transaction has been successfully authorized. We can then move forward to capturing the transaction, or we can avoid the pre-authorization. In this case, we'll go ahead and capture. And at this point, we can see that the transaction has been successfully captured. We have our captured number, transaction number. We have our status here letting us know that this was successful. We also have our checkbox letting us know that the transaction was complete.